Hi guys, welcome back to another week here at Aldi. I'm excited to go over the new finds and a few more items for you this week, so let's get started. Botanical diffusers, these are $7, and this one is the eucalyptus and mint, apple blossom berry, and I think it is just packaged so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay, next we have a decorative box or tray for $10. So this is the box here. It includes the lid and faux leather tab, neutral linen fabric cover exterior, and this is the oval tray here. So beautiful. Moving on to the Febreze, it is $3.24. So here, guys, is the Crest Oral-B Oral Care Daily Regimen for $3.97. 3D white toothpaste, the floss sticks, and the toothbrush. Yes, charcoal toothbrush. I only see the toothbrush in medium. Huntington Home 3-piece reversible comforter set for $29.99. So I see this pattern here and this one. Temperature regulating queen or queen sheet set, $20. And all of the colors going to be, all these usual colors, which is gray, blue, and probably a white or cream back there. At $10. Yes, you get 6 packs. These are the thongs. And then you get the hipsters. Yes. And the bikini. Yeah, you get 6 pieces total. Small through extra large on these. Ladies 2-piece pajama sets, they're $8.99. And how cute are these? Oh my goodness, guys. So this one has the V-neck cami with mesh trim, matching shorts with elastic waist. Size small through extra large. And they have this pattern, this color, and blue. The ladies ponte pants are $13. Size small through extra large. So yes, these are really nice, guys. They are heavy too. Ladies ponte pant, boot cut, full length, functional back pockets. Okay, and it has 5% spandex in it, guys. Ladies denim joggers, they're $10 as well. Really, really nice. Size small through extra large. So this is the darker denim. They have the light blue, and they also have a gray. Ladies 2-pack soft leggings. Ooh, 2-pack for $10. Oh, I love it. Size small through extra large on these. Velvety soft fabric, smooth and wide waistband, spandex for comfort. A 2-pack. Oh my goodness. So this one is the blue and gray. They have the gray and green. Then they have this pattern with black. Oh yes, love it. Hair accessories, only $3, guys. So this is the 4-pack snap clips, 2-pack scrunchie, 4-pack flower clips, and the large hair clips, as well as the headbands. And these colors are just so beautiful. I mean, it is saying spring, spring, spring. Amazing. Rechargeable electric window vacuum for $20 with integrated spray function, approximately 45-minute battery running time, dirty water tank, and approximately 11 inches. Extra wide 11 inches squeegee blade. Okay, so yes, this is really nice. I only see it in this color. And now we have the kitchen sink gadgets for $2.99. Another amazing find, guys. So this one is the soap dispenser with the sponge, trash bag rim, and the over the faucet caddy. Oh yeah, so you store the sponges, the brushes, and more in this one. And this one is out of silicone. It feels really, really good. Universal power drill brush set, $6. Really nice, right? Oh yes. So this is really good for cleaning like your floors, your shower, and anywhere that really needs a really good deep cleaning. Or if you don't want to scrub real hard with your hands, this is really convenient. So yes, it's a 4-piece. It allows you to use your power drill as a cleaning tool. Cleans harder using the power of your drill. Comes with extension rod to make it easier to clean hard to reach areas. Yes, small brush head, best for small spots like stove tops, refrigerator corners, or sink. Yes. So yes, that is really great, guys, for only $6. And here are the beautiful reading glasses. Oh my goodness, guys, they're $5. I see the strength 1.5 up to 2.0. Okay, these beautiful flowers, guys, they're only $3.89. Oh yes, here's the snake plant, and I absolutely love these. Amazing price, guys. 14-ounce candles, $4.50. This one says, I'm lucky and I know it. Scented candle. Feeling lucky. Oh yes, $4.50. Coastal Decor throw pillows. They're only $7, guys. So these are just really, really nice. Really big too. It's an 18 by 18. Yeah. So they have this one, this one, this one, and that one. Velvet plush throws. They are $13. They have it in this gray and white, which is beautiful. Luxurious, soft and warm, reversible with Sherpa back, and it's machine washable. It's gray and white, blue and white, and of course the tan and two-piece bath rug set for $10. So yes, it is machine washable, skid resistant, soft and durable. So this is the gray two-piece here. They have light blue, dark blue, and tan. Woven organizers for $15. So they have this tower style here. And then they have this one, this basket with the lid. Oh, it comes with, okay, so it has three, guys. So light blue and gray. 50 pack of velvet touch hangers. They're $17. I see it in black, and I also see it in white. Best Way Queen airbed with a built-in pump for $40. These automatic umbrellas, they are $6. They have a few different patterns. And this one is really pretty, the blue. And then they have this one, and this color here. So all the patterns are right here, guys. Only $6, and it's so compact. That's what I love. The ladies spring rain boots, they're $13. They have a few different patterns and a couple styles. So the first style and pattern is going to be this shortcut with the flower or floral print. They have one with all black, and then they have the longer version of the rain boot right there. Not a bad deal. Size 7 through 10. So here, guys, we have more shoes for the ladies. These are the platform loafers for $15. It's in this black here. Nice. Ooh, this patent leather brown. That's pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous there, guys. And this one, which is probably my favorite. Great deal on those loafers. Okay, guys, so here we have a cordless cyclonic stick vacuum here. It is a 2-in-1 function operation as a stick or handheld vacuum cleaner. Power supply 100 to 240 volts. Yeah, guys, I see it in white, and I also see it in black for $70. The spin mop set is $25. They have this every year, probably a couple of times a year. I do have this, and I've learned how to use it, so I do like it much better now. The spin sweeper is $12.99. It's only in gray. Bar mop or flour sack towels, $4. So you get a 6-pack of the bar mop towels, and you get a 5-pack of the flour sack towels. I can't get over how beautiful these reading glasses are. Oh, that green is just really standing out to me. $5. Hey guys, so this is a 12-drawer rolling storage cart for $40. Ideal for office, kitchen, school, bedroom, and garage storage. So here, guys, we have a 1,000-piece puzzle organizer for $25. It fits 1,000-piece puzzles, includes 4 sliding drawers and a non-slip feet. Includes cover to protect your progress. Okay, nice. This 80-quart clear box is $13. Yes. Okay guys, so here we have the plush or Berber rugs for $30. Yes, I see three different colors, which is this light brown, this gray brown, and the gray. They also have this one here, only in gray at my store right now. And it's a 5x7. Okay. Cakes, pink strawberry cupcakes. Oh yes, $3.84. You get 8 individually wrapped. Oreo Space Dunk cookies for $58. Cookies, the mini size Oreo cookies, the animal cookies, and the Chips Ahoy mini cookies for $2.79. And here we have General Mills treat bar assorted varieties for $3.27. So we have Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Reese's Puffs. We have these large gnomes for $9. They still have these poofs for $40. And the metal wall signs, $8. Yes, this one is wash your hands. This one says brush your teeth. Aren't these cute? Only $8. I love it. Ooh, this is a large bag of this jasmine rice, guys, for $5.87. Tyson honey barbecue chicken strips. They're $8. 25 ounces on that. Chicken fettuccine Alfredo is $3.29. And you have the meatloaf single serve entree here for $3.25. Meatloaf topped with beef gravy with mashed potatoes. Looks so yummy. So Specialist Selects have the shrimp and crab ravioli for $4.49. Pretty good deal, guys. Mama Cozy's cheese stuffed crust pizza is $7. Mama Cozy's Pizza Kitchen white pizza with the spinach is $4.99. We also have this one with the mozzarella and the tomatoes for $4.99. The Mediterranean pizza is $4.99. The avocado chunks, $3.29. We have the chicken parmesan patties for $10 here. Catfish fillet, they're $7 for 16 ounces. Lobster mac and cheese or shrimp and a lobster bake, $7.49. Ooh, the sausage breakfast skillets, $4.29. Okay, so the breakfast best mini stuffed pancakes, chocolate, hazelnut, or strawberry jam, $3.99. Okay, I like it. I like it. And this one is the peanut butter and strawberry jam. 3 grams of protein on both. Yes. The protein cinnamon French sticks for $49. You get 16 ounces on that one. Okay, the Sunday Shop Shamrock Swirl or Lucky the cookie dough ice cream is $2.29. French toast or bacon, egg, and cheese meatballs, $6. Okay, so with French toast and maple flavor. And this is the one with the bacon, egg, and cheddar cheese. Gelato cups in the pistachio, chocolate, hazelnut, and the cappuccino, $4. Pork shoulder steak is $3.39 per pound. This pack is $10.14. That pack is $10.98. The thin sliced pork chop here. This pack is $6.74. Seasoned boneless pork shoulder roast, $2.39 a pound. This one is $5.74. Also have this seasoned pork loin roast, garlic and pepper for $2.99 a pound. This one is $6.83. And you also have this one, which is seasoned pork loin roast with the rosemary. Okay. We have the smoked salmon bowls here, guys, for $8. Hawaiian style dish that includes smoked salmon, rice, poke sauce, and spicy seasoning. Ready to eat in 2 minutes. So Smithfield Hickory Smoked Ham Steak is $3.49 per pound. Ooh, it is so heavy. This one is $5.62. Grilled chicken breast strips with rib meat for $29. These Unstoppable, guys, they are $9.03 for 13.4 ounces. This is the fresh scent in the lavender scent. The Tide Pods are $12.97. The Tide liquid detergent is $12.97. And then Aldi brand is $7.89. OxyClean Laundry and Home, $3.15. And then this Oxy Stain Remover is $9.19 in this bucket here. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Aldi. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.